Today we are having a program called Pravrutti for the first time in the Ramaya Technology Campus. There were always some festivals going on in this campus, but the first time under the leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Kuldeep Kumar Raina, is to bring students of different institutions to come together and participate and have some kind of a competition for critical thinking, leadership activities, sustainable development, etc. We cannot do everything in a structured curriculum which is assigned for various programs. What we can do is bring them and challenge them with some real-time problems and make them work. And we can also do it for our own university student, but then they will not benchmark with other students. And hence we invite all other students, and then students will know where their level. And in the next year, when we do this kind of a technical fest, they will be much prepared and much challenged and all that. They will be waiting for this kind of an event, apart from their regular curriculum, which we'll have to give it systematic. Critical thinking and problem solving, teamwork, independent learning. All these can be clubbed. So the 25 events what we have chalked out, our Pravrutti team has chalked out, encompasses about 8 on engineering and design, where students will compete for engineering and design solution, and another 8 subsections for coding and computing, and another 5 for research and entrepreneurship and enterprise. So very carefully thought events. I'm sure students will enjoy this and rub shoulders with others and learn.